Hello? 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 What happened? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, so this is a review so that you can make your homework also, or you can answer the homework. So just remember, okay, please. This is the second time around to review your lesson, okay? So look at also in the puzzle. Look at also in the puzzle. Okay, let's start. Go. Number one is, okay, we have the tasty food, healthy, quick to make, and the filling, right? Okay, let's start. Okay, the first vocabulary, look at, double check your homework also. This is the first vocabulary. Go, please read. First, what is this?
Fish,
Grapes. Okay, next.
red pepper,
Okay, that is red pepper. Okay, next. What is that? Next, what is that? How to read that word? Okay, go read it. What is this?
lamb,
Lamp. Okay, very good. Next, what is that? Here, how to read that?
lettuce,
Littles. Okay, next.
olive,
Yes, very good. That's olive. Okay, how about this?
brown,
Again, frown.
brown,
Frown. Okay, very good. Next.
toast,
Toast. Next.
toast,
Next.
uh, green pepper,
Green paper. Next.
cereal,
Cereal. Okay, very good.
cereal,
So we can have this. Okay, look at the food so that you can remember also to answer the homeworks. Go, food are, what are those? Go, please read it. Start with apples.
beef,
Go,
carrot,
apples, beef, bread. Go, just
cheese,
continue.
chicken, crayfish, cucumber, fish, green or red pepper, lamb, lemon, little,
Lettuce,
melon, mushroom, olive, onion, pasta, peas,
next. What is that? Pineapple.
Pineapple, potato, brown,
Prawns.
rice,
Again,
prawns,
prawns. Rice.
rice, sandwich,
Sandwiches.
sandwiches,
Next.
sausage,
Sausage.
sausage,
Okay, next.
strawberry,
Yes, strawberries.
tomato.
Okay, very good. Tomatoes. Okay, so please don't forget that. So we also learn about countable and the uncountable nouns. So as we remember, countable is the things that we can count, and the uncountable, the things that you can't count. Okay, so that's very simple also. So here, let's move on to okay, that is why this is already for the complete sentences with E, and are they same. So here we've got some olives and a melon. The melon is on the table, the olives is in the fridge, right? So here, this is the speaker. Okay, so that you can remember also. Okay, just remember that. Okay, so go, please read. Okay, I am the speaker number 1. You are the speaker number 2, okay? He usually cooks meat, fish, or pasta. I think my favorite is the fish. My other favorite dinner is my mom's homemade pizza. It's mainly cheese and tomato, but she puts some olives on it too. Go, speaker number 2.
For coffee and a restaurant in our live village, but the restaurant is quite expensive, so we usually go to the coffee. The burger at the coffee are fresh. They are really big and they come with lot of shrimp.
Okay, so I have a sandwich and some crepes. Sometimes I'm still hungry after the sandwich and the crepes, but so I buy an orange or a banana. I usually have breakfast, but it's just a small cake. I ate it on the bus. Okay, so now look at the pictures. How many foods can you identify? 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 Can you hear me? Okay, so how many foods can you identify?
Sick.
2, 4, 6. So what are that foods? So what are the foods? Okay, if there is a teacher asking you, please answer, okay, directly. Okay, just remember, we have burger, we have chips, we have fries, we have donut, we have pizza, we have Coke. What else? So that's the food that you can identify. Okay, chips, cheeseburger, donuts, crepes, pretzels. Okay, that's pretzels, pizza, and the cold. So junk food advertising. So just remember, is the junk food good for your health? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, junk food is good for your health?
What?
Is
Yeah.
junk food good for your health?
No.
No, why? Why? Why junk food is not good for your health?
And does Ash?
Because junk food is not good to your health because that is not a healthy food, right? So advertising, what can we do about junk food adverts for children? The World Health Organization, who believes that junk food adverts are responsible for a lot of obesity in children. It is a very worried about this problem. American children are used to food and drink adverts on TV. What is adverts? That is advertising. The average teenager watches 16 every day. But now the food companies are also making computer games with the junk food adverts. These games are very popular with children. The adverts are usually for food that is full of fat and sugar. For example, burgers, biscuits, sweets, and fizzy drinks. Most children are very keen on these foods, but of course they are bad for you. And after they watch the adverts, the children eat on average 45% or more junk food. The food industry says that is not a problem. The WHO is disappointed with this attitude because obesity in children is increasing every year. The WHO wants to ban junk food advertising for children in all countries. In Quebec, Sweden, and Norway, they are already banned. What do you think? After children watch adverts for junk food, they eat more of it. Yes or no? After children watch adverts for junk food, are they eat more? Yes or no? Yes. Junk food companies say that there is a problem. Yes, in some countries they don't have any TV adverts for junk food because junk food is not good for your health. Okay, so we will finish this. Learn this. Go, please read. Learn this. Adjectives plus preposition. So I give you also a homework with this. Adjectives and preposition. So please read that so that you can answer your homework also. Go. We use preposition.
Use preposition with adjective. Some adjective go with certain preposition. They are good grammatical mm, preposition is true with which adjective, so it's a good idea to try to learn them together to help you do this. Write new vocabulary in your notebook. Inner sentences are fancy.
Okay, so go. Please read the example so that you can answer. Go. I'm good at.
But smart, but bad at aren't interested in history. French is famous of tree.
Okay, France is famous for cheese. Okay, just remember that. Okay, go find the adjectives below in the text and write the preposition that follow them. Okay, I will give you one example. So here, responsible for. Next, how about worried?
About
Word, what is that worried?
about
About.
yeah, about
Okay, how about number 3, use?
used to
Okay, used to. How about number 5?
popular with
Okay, popular with. Number 6,
mm,
full of. Number 6,
keen on
keen on. Number 7, okay, bad for. Next, number 8.
disappointed with
Okay, with. Okay, so we have here dictionary entries identify the preposition that are to use with the adjectives. So here, if you're afraid of something, it makes you feel fear. Some people are afraid of snakes. So we have afraid and kind or Kind of or kind to. Okay, go. Please answer. Please make it fast because I have also another class. Please answer 1 to 10.
Asian lover.
Okay. Are you interested in photography? How about number 2?
Football. Okay, isn't uh we eat
Okay, at. How about number
a
3?
kid eat the shark according to
Okay, with her exam
we
result. Number 4.
turn a flash. Uh
Okay, that is of dogs.
you should be nice uh to your little sister.
Okay, to your little sister. Number 6.
Use about your exam.
Are you worried about
Worry.
your exam?
I'm worried.
Okay, here number 7. Go, please read that.
Green your music is popular with a lot of teenage
Okay, go.
fizzy drink and sweet are bad for your teeth.
Okay, number
I
9.
have I have got a new phone, but I'm not due it to it yet. Yeah.
Okay. So it was kind of you to help with my homework. Okay, thank you so much for the time. Please answer your homework, the food and vocabulary, and the preposition, okay? Because I have also another class after this. Okay, goodbye. See you again. Please answer homework, okay?